Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Lottie animations for lightweight UI experiences step by step clearly. To update Lottie animations for lightweight UI experiences, start by opening your design tool. Open the project that contains your Lottie animation. Ensure you have the latest version of Lottie files installed. Download the Lottie animation file you want to update. Open the animation file in Adobe After Effects or your preferred animation software. Review the current animation to identify any elements that may increase file size unnecessarily. Consider simplifying complex shapes or reducing the number of layers. Replace raster images with vector graphics where possible. Adjust the timing of keyframes to reduce the total number of frames. Reduce the use of effects like strokes or blurs that may add to the file size. Once adjustments are made, export the animation as a Lottie JSON file. Use body movement for exporting to ensure compatibility with web applications. Test the Lottie animation in a local environment to observe performance and load times. Check for any rendering issues by previewing the updated animation in various devices. Optimize the JSON file further by using tools like Lottie Files Optimization feature. Implement lazy loading for the animations on your website to enhance loading times. Monitor the impact on your UI performance after deploying the updated animations. Gather user feedback to refine future updates of Lottie animations. Regularly revisit your animations to ensure they remain lightweight and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.